Good YouTube, it's your boy King Gunny. I'm back. It's been a little minute, you know. Boy, been busy. Just started a new job, so you know, kind of running out of ideas on what to do and everything like that. But hey, we got something interesting a little bit today. So we're going to do 2 car reviews on 2 of my friends' cars. Both of them, one got a Challenger, one got a Charger. So we're going to do a review on both of them. But yeah. You know, I'll see y'all whenever we get up there. We up here and everything right now. These motherfuckers over here just trying to do fucking photo shoots.
I want off to the side, but we can do it in the middle. Now we have to cover on my license plate. This my baby right here, boy.
You're the only one not looking at the camera.
I don't gotta look at the damn camera.
Always being so damn difficult.
I'm not posing for all them shit. Like, oh shit. That's a nader.
Alright, y'all, I'm here with my boy Mark. Go ahead, Mark, shout out yourself.
What's good, y'all? Follow me on IG. Dr. King 507. Coming back to you. You'll see it sometime.
You'll see him. This is his car right here. He got the 5.7 Charger, did some crazy shit to it. He gonna get into what he did to it and everything like that. So
First of all, we're not gonna talk about the tires, and we're not gonna talk about all the fucked up body parts, alright? That's out of the video.
He getting
you
that
better cut
fixed.
that shit out too.
He getting that fixed. Go ahead.
What?
Go ahead.
Anyways, we're gonna start out. You guys can tell the lights, you know.
Where you get
Flow
them
series.
from series?
Always. Lighting trends, go online, you can find it. You probably put the link in the bio somewhere too. You know, custom paint job, gray, not custom. All the other stock, I mean, it's not stock, so don't ask. Alright. You know, stock, cold intake. All the rest of it though, I'm not really gonna open this because I don't like when people see under my hood for real like that, but just know it's not stock.
A car man never says what's under his hood.
It's not stock, period. Man, what else you want to know? Shit, that's about all for the interior, you know. From the underneath part of it, you got straight pipe, headers, and the quad tips, obviously. You know, big body shit. But, you know, I did fuck up my car, so don't ask. I had to change this shit too. That's part of it. Don't mind it. I'm gonna close this shit though, because I don't like when people tell me. As you can see, paint job. My car's all fucked up, like I said. You see a scratch, dented. Them fucked up ass tires, I gotta change their shit too. Them new ones coming too. See that shit? It's already fucked up. Don't mind. And then we move around. They didn't paint the jam, so don't come in before not painting the rest of the shit either. Alright, baby. My baby on the inside. Hey. So listen, what we gonna talk about? Brake pedals, gas pedals, custom, carbon fiber. I covered the steering wheel, custom seat covers. And the one and only Pedal Commander. Yes, sir.
Big boy shit.
You know what we drive around here. What else you want to know? We'll turn this down before we get copyrighted. We're moving to the back. I had to take this shit out too. That's a pain in the ass, but don't ask. It was chrome. Nah, we just did the little diffuser, covered up quad tips, you know, kind of smoked out the tail lights, a little carbon fiber joint, carbon fiber. A big ass duct tape, because that's how we do shit.
Go ahead, follow that boy car page.
You see it. Other than that though, y'all want to see the fucking drag 6 that I'm running on right now? Look at this shit. My baby's on slick. Hey, don't mind me. I'll be getting fucked up sometimes. And my tags expired, so don't say shit either.
My boy just got back from deployment.
It's supposed to be good. Half my shit already broke. But ain't nothing to it, bro.
So he's gonna give y'all a few revs and everything like that. So y'all hear this shit. Hold on one second.
Burn our shit, but don't mind me, alright?
Next car, I'm with my boy Obas. Go ahead, Obas. Go ahead. Shout out your Instagram, anything like that. Shout out your Instagram.
Hey, this is Obas in the house.
You got on Instagram?
Yeah, I got my Instagram.
Go ahead, what's your Instagram?
It's OSI. That's it.
This OSI?
Yeah.
Alright.
OSI.
Yeah. So we about to get into his car. He got a 5.7 Charger. So we about to get into his real quick.
This car was modified by Glover. He's the one that helped me do the wood, the lights, the stripes, and the tail lights.
Yep.
So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put some lights on the grill. That will light up everything. And
You got any plans to do anything under the hood?
yeah, under the hood we're gonna modify all the engine, like cold air intakes, everything. I'm gonna put a sport cold air intake in it, and do some. I'll keep it on surprise.
Alright, y'all, that's it for the videos. I'm about to input a bunch of pictures and a few pulls and stuff like that they did on their way out, and then I'm gonna get this to y'all. Alright, thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all share it to everybody, share it to your mama, your daddy, your sister, your uncle, granny, all that. Just share it to everybody. And yeah, enjoy the little cinematics I got for y'all.